Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of location on Uber app. We click on settings. In this page, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about Uber app and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Here you can turn on your location as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.